Put your hands up.
What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the name and title, today is the day, guys. That's right, today is the day. You heard it here first. We are finally paying off the 2019 Dodge Charger. My 2019 Dodge Charger, finally get it paid off. Yes, it's V6, it's not a Hellcat. If you're here for that, you're at the wrong place. But definitely, man, it's been a long road. 6 years ago, 2019, I purchased this vehicle, brand new, first owner, still the owner to today. Bought it at 250 miles, 250 miles, and you know what? I never regretted it since. 6 years later, 2025, car's only 6 years old, and today's the day we finally make the last payment. I still got about like $3 grand left on it, paying the rest off today. I saved up a little bit from just grinding every day at work, however, but finally got enough to pay it off. I just want to get it done before my birthday. My birthday's coming up next month, so if y'all prepare for that. If y'all want to send me something, I'll put the Cash App on there, June 15. Stay tuned for that. We got something planned for that too. But yeah, man, just paying off something just feels good, man. It feels good to actually own something out right now. Don't have to pay the bank every month anymore, and I have a little more fundage to do some more stuff to the Charger. So I'm excited for that. Next goal is to get bags. I think bag route. We're probably gonna go bag route, wrap the car, and then do some more performance mods at that. But yeah, guys, man, I'm just excited, man. It's exciting to get this done. Gonna be the new official owner of the vehicle. Not gonna have the bank's name on the title anymore. But I don't have to worry about payments anymore. Opens up some more money on my pocket, and I'm just gonna feel good, man. I feel good. I actually own the car outright. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, the last payment process. I'll go ahead and switch to my other phone. We'll screen record on this phone and show you guys, officially me paying off my 2019 Dodge Charger, man. But before we get to that, before we do that, man, the car's looking a little dusty to me. Gotta go ahead and clean her up before I make that last official payment, and she's definitely fully mine. So it's like getting a brand new car, don't have to have payments, and buying a car right at the end of the day, you want to definitely have the car nice and clean. So stay tuned, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, hope you guys enjoyed that B-roll. As you can see, we got the full car cleaned up. Not the inside, just got the exterior. We'll get to the inside another day. Definitely gonna give myself a reward for paying off the car fully. I'll probably get the homie to come out, stadium model detail, come out and clean the whole full interior, exterior, engine bay, get it all shined up, cleaned up, just to reward myself, man. It feels good to actually finally pay off a vehicle after 6 years. You know, it's been a long road, and we're finally at the end of it. I still got until my final payment is due October, but I told myself I want to pay this off before my birthday. It's May 14th today. My birthday's in a month, June 15th, so it just feels good. I told myself pay it off before my birthday, and it's gonna be good. I feel good about it. So definitely gonna get this final payment in. I'll drop the screen recording here, so let's go ahead and get into it. So as you guys can see, I got $3,050.79 as the balance as of today. I paid already about $36,940.86 paid already to this day, and then now I got left remaining. As if I just would pay off the last payment in October, it would be $3,114.05 remaining. So because today I'm paying off a little early, a couple months early, you know, I really didn't put as much down as I wanted to throughout the years. Every now and then I put $350, $600, whenever I had it, but you know, I'll save myself at least what, like $60, so I paid off today. So we're getting this done, man. I'm excited to get this done. So let's go ahead and make this final payment, y'all. So as you can see, due date's tomorrow, May 15th at $527.34. We're gonna go ahead and make the final payment. Make payment, pay the bill. I'm gonna choose my account. We're gonna do a one-time single payment, and then we're gonna do the payoff amount, $3,050.79, y'all, man. Feels good, bro. Feels good. So as you can see, today we're authorizing Capital One to make a one-time debit of $3,050.79 on or after May 14th. Blah, 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 blah. All right? But all right, guys, let's do it, man. Let's get this last payment in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's slide that payment. Congrats, your payment of $3,050.79 to pay off your loan has been scheduled for Wednesday, May 14th. Got my confirmation code. I'm gonna block that out so y'all can't really see that. But okay, we're gonna be mailing important loan documents to the primary browser's address on file. Contact us if you need to change the address. And all right, so the payoff amount is based on the current amount standing. Of any changes to your balance could cause your account to remain open. Make sure you cancel the upcoming payments, blah, 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 blah. If you purchase gap, you might be entitled to a refund. Ooh, I might get a refund. But man, it feels good, guys. $3,000. Ooh, I paid it off. I paid it off. Mama, I made it. Yeah, guys, it feels good, man. Definitely feels good, y'all. So I'm going to close this screen recording out real quick. And just let's talk real quick, y'all, man. So paid it off. Feels good, man. Definitely got some stuff coming for the vehicle, man. Now that I got a little extra cash, man, and you know, it's just gonna be some new stuff coming to the channel, man. So stay tuned, man. Definitely gonna have something, you know, I already got something, an interior mod coming up, probably the next video, so stay tuned for that. Something nice for the interior, definitely gonna brighten it up. And then just, you know, for the future, let's just go and run it by real quick. Definitely want to get bags. We're gonna either paint the car fully or wrap the car fully. I want to do a carbon fiber hood, you know, the official carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk. Definitely after that's said and done, and exterior's, you know, pretty much done for there. And then we'll probably do some more performance mods. Probably could do a diff like I've been talking about. I know I've been talking about it, but definitely get that diff installed. 309 diff, probably go with that. Then definitely get a what do you call it? That's differential. But you know what I'm talking about. I always talk about it. The carbon fiber. I forgot what it's called, man. I'm excited. I can't think right now. But yeah, man, it definitely feels good, man. Like I said, man, stay tuned. More videos coming soon. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.